Tuni kwa hi exercise 4.1 question number 2 chom chana ne solve ki diu hin class 9 na kamasa 1 chai ta ta question number 2 bol diu hin hi chi linear equation hi chi pa hi ama se question chi statement ho hi linear equation a ji do na ti hi ano ko number 1 ne ta number 1 the cost of a pen is 8 times that of a pencil means cost price of a pen. Let x be the pen, cost price of the pen is mean equal to 8 times means 8 into that of a pencil. Pencil to y a hi ale. So the to x equal to 8y. So na hi in. To x equal x minus 8y equal to 0 thì thế là sai thế. Ibala minus hung do ham ta le x ta chu plus pa hi na transpose only pa na chu equal to an chop pa na chu minus hung ding equal to lo ong hi chu kha hin abana hi the difference of two numbers is 5 at ale number ni hi a difference into 5 a di chu number ni pa chu x away x le way now to x pa chu lin zo on ge lo tin x minus y to 5 is equal to sin hai cha jing na abana 2 tables and 3 chair ko 200 let x be the table cost price of the table and y be the chair kiten lang hele table apa chu x hen lang chair a chu y hen lang hele ama ten ni chu 1200 ati chu na le 2 table 2 into table 2x n to plus hai na 3 chair to 3 to 3 chair to y I represent here to 3y will be equal to cost is rs 1200 extension choosing number are in the ratio of 2:3 a ratio to pay in a number to kelo ya chu we have to assume that let x and y be the two numbers na tiding abana hi a number chu kelo ya chu x and y ala ya chu x by y tiwal number 10 ni chu equal to tiding si 2 pi la nga hum pangding 3 pi hi a ratio chu x by y equal to 2 by 3 ni tiding to cross multiplication na boarding cross multiplication to 3 into x to 3x equal to 2 into y to 2y matini ka into ta ka into here ala ji chu value chun 3x heading equal to plus pen chu ang langai 2y ang so dina equal to banga plus 2y ya ang to ale minus so din equal to 0 ya chu equation na ji thu chang pa hi ji equation a sim chu chu hi find four different solution. We are going to find 4 different type of solution for each of the following choa hi bol o choa hi ale x hi zat hen lang le x equal to 3y at in example akan boarding in x to 3y to ki bang at in ale amatin he ki bang ta bang tam ta am dan chu y hi 2 le taw te na exam e holo de he y equal to 2 ti for example achun y hi 2 hi ala chun x equal to 3 into y sai na ya y to 2 here 2 quite so amount achun x equal to 3 to 6 lang jong to achu exact tamu 6 x long 6 when y is 2 x is 6 y value ni de na ding ban x na holding for example achu y 1 na ta 3 into 1 3 1 is 3 x 2 3 when y is 1 x is 3 so mo achu adang in board here 3y in 2 in box and head here divin box in as utin x la y to na ala y value to 0 la te mas pena y is 0 la chu x equal to 3 into 0 y to 0 la chu x equal to 3 0 are 0 x value to 0 ta chu when y is equal to y 0 pa na chu x on 0 0 ni ding abana hi 1 la ki taw te y value si la thaina x equal to 3y here x equal to 3 into y value chu 1 la wa le 1 chita ma ma 3 into y na chun 1 chita chun 3 1 is 3 x atam 3 ai na koi ding abana hi y value chu 2 la ki te y chu y equal to 2 ti la han x equal to 3y chu x equal to 3 into sin hai ya y chu ya ta la chu 2 hai ale x equal to 3 to r 6 x value 6 sekita ama in 4 different solution ti a chu solution chu kha ni thum kha ke ba a hin 3 la te na 3 la wa le x equal to 3 into y value chu 3 la ja wa chu up and up koi tin hila hen x in module he 3 3 9 x atam 9 to a chu now the solution r na ti di answer a chu da number ni na koi thari ola hai y value of the solution r ati diu 0 0 khat 1 3 2 6 3 9 tamna ji da chai ji one na achu vile han x equal to 3y ya langa x equal to langa x langa y chona equal to no khan chola hi ama tin hi khom ta chu you have to first remember that you have to put x in the left side and y in the right side to ai lai side khana khom chu thelo ding khana pa na chu sai khel de wai na cha chu het diu chu 4x equal to 12 ai lo wale no ai lo wale 3y equal to 12 na ho dei dei y value no no bam x value no no bam no ho dei dei ma se penin chu an heu tin to ai ka se banga chu 4x equal to 12 na ji wale he chu khu plus sign khu anga hung kin tar change pha le plus will become minus 3y na wala khu no x value no no wale x equal to 12 minus 3y si ka ji tha chu x equal to 12 minus 3y for pa into ya chu into to am khom po po le anoi la ma ka ki thol le ma he ta chu x to chu ne de la the la chu x no hot he ta chu to chu ai chi khat a hi in a ho lan chu to hi x le y chum chuma ta in to ha box ji ki diu in bo tan ki ta ya ta chu x le y no pa diu y value chu ne de hol atun y value chu 0 koi ta y chu 0 pa le x zan han ti chu four different solution e holi wa chu y chu 0 hi pa le x zan ham y na koi le 3 into 0 na koi le awanga chu lang value chun ta chu y value chu 0 ka koi te x ga hol x equal to 12 minus 3 into 0 chu na y chu 3y chena chu 3y 0 la ta chu 4 x equal to 12 3 0 r 0 kan ta long chi ma ta 4 and 12 divided by 4 to 4 3 r 12 and when y equal to 0 y is 0 pa x at hamu ta x to 3 namu de asan number le ni ko se he ta na to chu 1 ga bi hote ai la wale 2 no koi thayu 3 no koi thayu dei de number no koi thayu he na to chun 0 koi wala 3 ma tawin 2 number he 4 kha no koi te 4 no koi te y value chu y equal to 4 last step y equal to 4 na kiu te ta he ai thele le na de anu no na ki ji ding y equal to 4 ti ta ve ala ve ta la to hin chun ji thak ke diu x equal to 12 minus 3 into y value chu 4 la chu na 4 na koi ding divided by 4 a y value bo hi la na la ba ba na koi ji de x na holo ji de na x equal to 12 minus 3 into 4 to 12 na le ala 4 na koi le x equal to 12 minus 12 to 0 by 4 to x equal to 0 when y is 4 x is 0 abana na ve ki te abana minus 4 ga kai te y equal to minus 4 ka te khat ve right more of x na ale x equal to 12 minus 3 into 3y te by 4 x equal to 12 minus 3 into y value to minus 4 or minus 4 ka te na 4 x equal to 12 minus 3 into minus 4 to 3 4 are plus on so minus into ka na 3 4 are 12 by 4 12 plus 24 divided by 4 4 6 are 24 x value to 6 in 1000 2004 lang ta hi x y value to 8 ang lao te ta hin ai ta dai 8 na ko ta so pas na bol din na ai solve de depend to na de le han 12 minus 3 into y value to 8 la 1 le 4 x equal to 2000 na le 12 minus 3 8 are 20 4 divided by 4 and as to x equal to x 3 होगा या 12 minus 24 तो plus 12 to बोले चुन 12 न मोले साइन छोड़ चलें जब ते आले minus आले जो minus न कोई भी minus 12 by 4 4 3 are 12 minus sign दिन आई चु ना x to minus 3 तो आचु that line and the solution of the solution are 3 0 0 3 4 0 minus 4 6 8 minus 3 na tidi ay number percentage de na koi dio ano kung mo mutla na koi dio x value na ta khat na bol value cha ni to hi 3x plus 4 equal to y ala so wa chu x le y ung ta hi variable khat bom ta so x bo fa ni pt bo de ha ni bo la cha ni na 3x equal to 0 3x equal to 0 and this can transpose by plus will become minus 4. That means 3x equal to minus 4. Let's find out the value of x. X no hold is no to have variables. X equal to minus 4 na tiyun. X equal to minus 4. Into chu like 3 into x ya 3 pa chu noi na ke thole. X ya tam ta chu minus 4 by 3 mo ta chu. Hai de chu la hi for y we can take any number y to number de na man thai ati chama chia chu tu la de man thai the solution are as all element thing on the solution are 4 by 3 y chu ni de ta 0 na the kha ana minus 4 by 3 1 na koi the ba minus 4 by 3 2 na koi the na wa de na koi the ta ya y pa chu chi x chi y chi x chi y chi x x lo chi ji ya y chu any number ya ka se bonga chu ande de na koi the 0 kala 1 kala 2 kala as minus 4 by 3 minus 2 kala the so so ni de na the question number Roman number 5 ibol hi 6 ta ke bong hi 6 on try ma chu ki phala question number 4 apna 5 tan in ball ke exercise 4.1 it's